After complete the connective tissue, that is a blood, lymph and areolar tissue. The next type of connective tissue, that is known as adipose connective tissues. Now, cell in adipose connective tissues, different types of these cells filled with fatty substances. Those cells present in adipose connective tissues. Now these cells are different types of that cell. Loosely arranged cell filled with fatty substances and jelly-like ground substance in adipose connective tissue. Jelly-like ground substance. Here liquid ground substances. Here jelly-like ground substances. Cells are loosely arranged and these cells filled with fatty substances in case of adipose tissue. Now these adipose tissues are present below the skin. Where these adipose tissues are present? Now these adipose tissues are present below the skin and around the various internal organs. Those internal organs present in our body around the various internal organ and below the skin. Now these adipose tissues are present. What is the function of that adipose tissue? Now the function of this adipose tissue is supply of energy. Supply of energy to the body by adipose tissue. Supplying of energy. And storage of various fat in body in that adipose tissue. Storage of fat in our bodies by adipose tissue. Supply of energy to the body by this adipose tissue. And insulation by this adipose tissue. That is a function of this connective tissue. The next type of connective tissue, that is known as cartilage. Now, in case of cartilage, those cells present in that cartilage, these cells are also loosely arranged cells with ground substances, jelly-like ground substances, same as that of adipose tissue. The jelly-like ground substances, cells are loosely arranged in cartilage tissue. Where these cartilage tissues are present? Cartilage tissues are present in a nose. Cartilage tissues are present in ear. These are known as cartilage tissue. These are known as cartilage tissues. Cartilage tissues are present in larynx. Cartilage tissues are present in larynx and trachea. We know that larynx and trachea is a respiratory organs. There are different respiratory organs, and larynx and trachea, these are known as respiratory organs. Now in that respiratory organs, presence of this cartilage tissue. What is the function of that cartilage tissue? Now the function of this cartilage tissue is it gives the definite shape and definite shape to the various organ. Definite shape of that organs, definite shape of nose, definite shape of ear, definite shape of trachea, definite shape of larynx by cartilage in our body. It gives the definite shape and size of that organ due to the presence of that cartilage tissue. And second function, it gives the lubricant to the organs. Lubricant to these organs by that cartilage. This is one type of that connective tissue. Then next type of connective tissue, that is known as bones. We know that bones are present in our body. The cells present in that bones are loosely arranged, but those ground substances present in that cell, in that tissue, Now these ground substances are solid in state, solid ground substance, and in that solid ground substances now cells are embedded. In case of bones, we know that bones are present in various parts of body. Bones, what is the function of that bones? The function of that bones is supported to the all body, protection of various part of body by bones, protection of various parts of body by bones, supported the body by these bones. Calcium and phosphorus present in that bones. Bones are strong, it gets support to the body, protection of this body by these bones, and movements of various part carried out by that bones. This is one of the connective tissue. And last types of connective tissue present in animals, that is known as tendon and ligaments. Last type of connective tissue, tendon and ligament. Now cells present in that tendon and ligament the cells in that tendons are strong cells and less elastic in case of tendon, but in case of ligaments cells are strong but highly elastic, flexible, that is known as highly elastic or flexible in case of ligament. But in case of tendon cells are strong but less elastic, and in case of ligament cells are strong but highly elastic, that is known as flexible, easily movable. These are known as flexible. Now the function of that tendon and ligament. In case of tendon, join the muscles to the bones. Those muscles present in our body, now these muscles joins to the bones. Those bones present in our body, at that bones join the muscles by tendon. And in case of ligament, join the various bones present in our body. Here ligament is present. Two bones joins together by use of the ligaments. Use of ligaments. Two bones are joins together. Two bones joins together by ligaments. And those muscles present in our body, this muscle joins with bones by tendon. These are the function of that tendon and ligament. These are known as different types of connective tissue. These connective tissues are present in animals. That is known as different types of connective tissue. Thank you.